How to reset password on Lalal.ai. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website by typing Lalal.ai in the address bar. Next, look at the top right corner where you will see the login button and click on it. Here you will see several options to log in, including Google, Facebook, Apple and email. If you changed your password for Google, Facebook or Apple, just use those linked accounts to log in securely. For the email option, enter your email address and the app will send you a code to confirm your email. Enter the verification code you received in your inbox to verify your identity and regain access to your account. And that's it. Now you know how to reset password on Lalal.ai. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.